Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find answers to a Google form. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and in the search bar you simply need to search for that particular Google form, the answer of which you want to get. Now once you are on this page, you need to right click and then you just have to scroll down and select the option of view page source. Once done, you will be landed on this type of page where if you are able to see the coding in one line, then you will have to check the box of line wrap. Now over here, you just have to press Ctrl plus F and then you will be able to see this dialog box in front of you. Now here in this search bar, you will have to select that particular question, the answer of which you want to get. So in order to get the question, you need to come back to your Google form, and after that you just have to copy the question from here. Then you need to come back to the view source page again, and then in the search bar you will have to search for that particular question. After that you need to press enter and then you will be landed on that particular section where you will be able to see that question, and right next to it you will be able to see its answer. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.